Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all my lovely pupils. How are you today? Have you taken your breakfast? Class, today we are going to learn about subtraction of time, part 2, involving decimals without conversion of units. Let's learn. Class, our objective today is to learn about 4.3 basic operations involving time. Therefore, you will be able to solve subtraction number sentences of time involving decimals without conversion of units. Consists of hours and minutes, days and hours, years and months, decades and years, centuries and decades, and the last one, centuries and years. Class, we start our lesson today with hours and minutes. Example, 1.5 hours minus 0.5 hour equal with how many hours? Okay, solution, we write it in a number sentence and we solve it using common form. Okay, 1.5 hours minus 0.5 hour, 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 0, 1. And the final answer is 1.0 hour. Hour bukan hours sebab dia hanyalah singular sahaja. 1. Days and hours. Example, 2.25 days minus 1.5 days equal with how many days? Okay, for solution, we're using common form, 2.25 days minus 1.5 days. Kalau kita perhatikan di sini, decimal point mestilah lurus atas ke bawah. Okay, jangan ada yang sengit-sengit zigzag begitu, tidak boleh. And then we add 0 here. Okay, kita tambah 0 di sini. And 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 5. Tak dapat pinjam dengan sebelah, itu jadi 1, 2. Ini akan jadi 12. Okay, 12 minus 5, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. Jadi kita akan dapat jawapan 0.75 day, not days, day. Okay, years and months. Example, 16.875 years. Okay, kalau kita nak baca 16.875 bukan 16.875. Jangan baca begitu. Okay. 16.875 years minus 5.625 years equal with how many years? Okay, solution using common form. Kita susun baik-baik, decimal point atas dan bawah. 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 8 minus 6, 2, 6 minus 5, 1, and the last one, 1 lah. Okay, jadi kita letak yes. The answer is 11.25 years. 0 di belakang ni tidak ambil kira lah, buang saja. Next, decades and years. Example, 0.3 decade minus 0.2 decade equal with how many decade? Okay, common form. Kita susun baik-baik, decimal point atas dan bawah. 3 minus 2, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. Dan decade kita tambah di belakang. And then the final answer is 0.1 decade. Centuries and decades. 0.23 century minus 0.06 century equal with how many century? Okay, solution, common form. Kita susun, decimal point atas dan bawah. Lurus, baik-baik. 3 minus 6. Oh, tak dapat. Jadi kita pinjam dengan sebelah. Okay, 2 tinggal 1. 3 akan jadi 13. 13 minus 6. 7 and 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 0 century. The final answer 0.17 century. Century and years. 8.4 centuries minus 3.6 centuries equal with how many centuries? Okay, common form kita susun baik-baik, cantik-cantik. 4 minus 6 tak dapat, pinjam dengan sebelah. Jadi 8 akan jadi 7. 4 akan jadi 14, 14 minus 6, 8, 7 minus 3, 4. And the answer is 4.8 centuries. Wow, it's so easy, easy peasy cheesy. Now, subtraction of time part 2 exercise. Ada 5 soalan di sini. I hope all of you can answer all of these questions. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Tata titi tutu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ciao.